Decoding VARA Regulations, Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, Dubai. The Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, VARA, is responsible for regulating and overseeing the provision, use and exchange of virtual assets in and from the Emirate of Dubai. VARA has established a comprehensive virtual asset framework and publishes a list of licensed virtual asset service providers, VASP, in Dubai. The VARA regulations are designed to cater specifically to the provision of permissible activities and services to customers and investors in Dubai. VASPs operating in Dubai are subject to increased regulatory requirements and must comply with the VARA regulations and associated rulebooks. The VARA regulatory framework covers 13 separate rulebooks. To apply for a VARA license, all applicants must follow a two-step process. The licensing process now consists of separate options. Firms planning to provide virtual asset activities in or from Dubai can obtain a full VASP license from the relevant Dubai authorities. UAE government entities and their public, non-profit, and charitable organizations are exempt from the licensing requirement, but must notify VARA of their activities and obtain non-objection. VARA's regulations prohibit the issuance of anonymity-enhanced cryptocurrencies and all virtual asset activities related to them in Dubai. VASPs must also have and maintain a legal entity in Dubai and maintain a clear chain of ownership and delegated authority. VARA may conduct regular inspections and audits to assess VASP compliance. VARA's establishment and regulatory framework demonstrate Dubai's commitment to fostering consumer protection and preventing illicit finance in the virtual asset space. Dubai aims to establish itself as a leader in the virtual asset sector and has attracted crypto businesses and hedge funds to set up operations in the Emirate. Please note that the information provided is based on the search results and snippets available at the time of the response and may be subject to change. VARA was established by Law No. 4 of 2022 and is affiliated with the Dubai World Trade Center Authority, DUTCA. VARA's objectives include promoting Dubai as a regional and international hub for virtual assets, increasing awareness and encouraging innovation, attracting investment, and developing regulations to protect investors and curb illegal practices. Decoding VARA Regulations. These regulations set out the regulatory framework for virtual assets and related activities in Dubai, including VARA's supervision and enforcement powers. Part 1 of the document discusses the establishment of VARA, its jurisdiction, and its powers and functions. Part 2 outlines the rules for issuing virtual assets, including the power to classify them and prohibit certain types. Part 3 discusses the general prohibition and exemptions for regulated virtual asset activities. Part 4 covers licensing requirements and VARA's licensing and authorization powers. Part 5 discusses the rulebooks for virtual asset activities. Part 6 addresses anti-money laundering and combating the financing of terrorism, including VARA's supervisory authority and the obligations of virtual asset service providers. Part 7 covers marketing, advertising, and promotion regulations. Part 8 discusses market offenses, including insider dealing, unlawful disclosure, and market manipulation. Part 9 covers supervision, examination, and enforcement, including VARA's powers to investigate and examine, as well as impose fines and penalties. Part 10 discusses the duty of confidentiality. The document also includes 4 schedules. Schedule 1, VA activities, Schedule 2, supervision and authorization fees, Schedule 3, fines, and Schedule 4, definitions. Thanks for watching Tax Dosti Video, a YouTube channel dedicated to discussing taxation of digital assets and tech businesses. Have a nice day.